Hey there, Kindle farmers. This is a quick and dirty video on how to create a meme using Google Drawing. There are many ways to create memes. Perhaps you've created some in the past. This is just one way. Let's explore together. Our first step is signing into our Kindle Farm Gmail account, as I've done here. From your Gmail account, you want to access your Drive. You do that by clicking onto your waffle menu and selecting Drive. The waffle menu is where you can find lots of cool Google apps. Once you're in your Drive, click on New, scroll down to More, so that way you can see and select Google Drawings. Click on that. When you do, a new Google Drawing window will appear. Google Drawing is a pretty neat app for doing art. This drawing doesn't yet have a name. Let's change that by clicking into this box and giving it a name. I'm going to call mine Anti-Stereotype Meme. Click out of it to save the name. You'll note lots of buttons here which can be useful for drawing with lines or drawing with shapes, zooming in or zooming out. One button to take note of is the undo button. Many Google apps have an undo button. It can be very useful if you feel as if you've made a mistake. So please don't forget about the undo button. All memes contain an image and words. So let's add an image to our meme. We do that by going to our Insert menu, clicking on that, scrolling down to Image, and over to Search the Web. Click on that, and a Google search box will open. From here, you can search for just about anything. Today, I'd like to find an angry cat. Turns out the internet's filled with angry cats, pictures of angry cats, drawings of angry cats. Who knew there were this many angry cats? That's a trick question. Anybody who ever has met a cat knows that there are this many angry cats. I'm just riffing here while I find an image that I like. Here's one for me. When you find an image you like, click on it, it'll check, and then click on Insert. This will import that image into your Google Drawing. You can click on that image and move it around. You could change the rotation of that image, which is cool. You could hit undo and bring it back. I think I'd like mine to be bigger. One way to do that is to pull from the side, but that kind of distorts the image. So it's a good reminder that you can keep the same dimensions and proportions by pulling from the corner down. Because I selected a drawing and not a photo, I have lots of empty background here. I think I'd like to change that. I can do that by pressing the Control key and clicking. There I can access the background menu. I think I'd like the background to match the kitty's eyes. So I'll select that. And yes, I'm liking that image now very much. Once you've selected and inserted an image, it's time to add words. You can add words simply using a text box, but a better way to add words is to insert word art. Word art's better because you can do more cool things with the words. To insert word art to your meme, click on the Insert menu, scroll down to Word Art, and here a dialog box will open asking you to enter text. Once you've done that, hit return. A word art box can be moved around just like an image. It can be moved up there, it can be made smaller or bigger. You can also change the font of word art. You can do cool things with word art, like change the fill color. You can also change the line color of the border. You can also change the line weight. You can click out of the word art box to see if you like the way it looks. I think I'm liking that. When you'd like to add more words to your meme, you can insert an additional word art box by repeating the same process. Go over to your Insert drop-down menu, click on that, scroll down to Word Art, click on that, and add more words. Hit return when you're done. Repeat the same process. Change the font if you like. Move it around to where it looks good. Change the size. Can also change the filler color. Change the weight. Can click out to see if you like the way it looks. And yes, I'm liking that a lot. The last step is to download your meme so that way you can use it in other places. In order to do that, you go over to your File drop-down menu, click on that, scroll down to Download, and here you can select different file formats. I recommend JPEG, as that's a common format for memes and it doesn't take up a ton of space. Select JPEG, and you'll notice that our meme is downloading, and you will now be able to find it in your drive. Good luck making your own memes, Kindle farmers. Be safe and healthy.